Welcome to If You Say So, the computer science quiz show where we ask Jim what he thinks certain words in computer science mean, and then I get to explain them. All right, Jim, tell the audience a little bit about yourself.
I'm not a programmer. How about that? I've been in sales for many years and not a programmer.
Highly qualified to take a guess at these words. So we'll tell you how the game works. I'm going to show Jim a word that's a bona fide computer science term, and Jim's going to tell me in his terms what he thinks that word sounds like. Probably not necessarily computer science terms. Then, after we're through those words, I'm going to take 15 seconds to describe to Jim what the word actually means, and he'll tell me if he understands my description or not. You ready to play?
Sounds great.
All right, first word. Stack dump. What does that definition sound like? Stack dump.
A dump is someplace you put things you don't want. Stack is probably, I don't know, we're talking computer science here, so like a whole bunch of programming code or something like that, and you dump it there because you don't want it anymore.
Excellent. Okay, we'll move on to the description a little bit later. All right, here's your next term. Operator overloading.
Operator overloading. So an operator is, it's a person that's using something, right? So the operator is overloading the system or the program with whatever it is that he's overloading it with.
Okay. Is it the computer scientist overloading it or the computer?
It's the operator. So the person is overloading the system.
Okay,
Some
so
description.
When a person overloads the system.
Something along those lines.
Operator overloading. Okay.
Right?
Right. If you say so. All right. All right. Another term. Dangling pointer.
Okay. So a pointer is something that you point with. I think you'd agree with. And if it's dangling, that means that it's hanging as opposed to...
Keep in mind, this is a PG show.
That's correct. So a dangling...
You don't have to guess on this
dangling
one, do you?
pointer is a pointer that's hanging from something for some reason.
All right, so that's... I gave you some hard ones. That's the first phase of the show. So the second phase, and do we have a counter here? We don't have a counter, but your phone is going off, so that's great. All right, hold on. I'm going to set a timer here now. That would have been actually perfect timing if you could have had that happen.
Yeah, well, that's why I did it. It was just exactly like
All right, 15 seconds, Jim. So
here, I have to tell you if I understand it or don't understand.
That's right. All right. Ready? Stack dump. Okay, when a program crashes, you want to know how to fix it. So in order to fix it, you need to look at all the memory around the memory that crashed so that you can get a hint about why it crashed so you can fix the bug.
Memory. Yeah, I'm still here.
All right. So no points for me on that one.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Resetting the clock here. Ready? Okay. Operator overloading. If you have a phrase in your code like 5 plus 3 equals 0, I could change the way that plus sign works by overloading that operator to do something different. So if I wanted to, I could say that 5 plus 7 and make the plus sign actually work like a subtraction sign by doing operator overloading.
So you're changing a symbol to make it do something else?
You can define it to whatever you want it to be. Yeah, you can change the way the normal operator works.
I guess I get the concept. You're changing something. The operator is able to change something to mean what he wants it to mean.
Makes me want to put my hands on either side of my head in celebration. Is that universal? Do you think everybody else would know what that means? Is that going to cut across all cultures? All right. Can I get an extra 5 seconds on this one?
Just for laughter's sake, or?
All right. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. You know what a variable is? It's a container that holds data.
Sure.
Okay. All right. We're gonna start with that. A variable is a container that holds data. All right. A dangling pointer is you have multiple types of variables, but you can also have things that point to a variable, so that if I reference that pointer to that variable, I'm actually really referencing that variable, but it's just a pointer to that variable, so I don't have to have many copies of it. A dangling pointer is if I have a piece of data that a pointer is pointing to, and then I delete that piece of data, and then go back to that pointer, and it's pointing to nothing. Therefore, it is dangling.
You're like 25 seconds at this point, and
it is 22.
Pointers pointing at pointers, and Yeah, still no clue.
All right, 1 out of 3 is not bad. So, yes, there are some pretty funny terms in computer science, and they do have real meaning behind them. So, I'd say keep looking for the real definition, and I guess
Which we'll put up on the screen, I guess, right?
Well, sure, I can put them up on the screen. Yeah.
If there's room.
If there's that's what I was thinking, actually. It's like, wow.
It's like it depends. Take up the whole screen.
It depends on the resolution of what you're watching this video and whether or not I can fit the description, but we'll give that a shot. But thanks for adding more work to my editing process that I really wasn't looking forward to doing. So until next time, I'm Eric.
And I'm Jim.
And thank you for coming to If You Say So.
Yeah, the phone thing screwed everything up. Sorry.
That's okay.